Hey internet, welcome to heat transfer tutorial. This is a made up question not found in your textbooks. We have two rooms, one with a refrigerator, another one without. Would the refrigerator room be warmer or cooler? So we're talking about the room itself, not the refrigerator. So the refrigerator exchanges heat, so it cools inside the refrigerator, but it pumps the heat outside. So since the room is sealed, it's going to be warmer due to the heat being released into the room. Okay, before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this channel or video gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open the program, click on video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.